Hello guys, thanks for watching our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download Rednote videos without any watermark. So follow with me along so that you get to download. First and foremost, open your Rednote app. Then you can choose from Rednote, you can choose any video which you want to download. For example, this video. Then you can click on share, then you copy the link. After copying the link, then you go to your Google and type in Rednote video downloader. Then you click on the third link showing hinla.com. Then from there you can paste your link. Then you click on pass. Then you click on download the video. Then the video will be ready. Then you click on the three dots on the bottom right. Then you click on download. Then your video is ready and it's downloaded. So you can check on your video on download, and